Hello, another different setup, but the same old video. It's been a couple months since I recorded something, and I have a bunch of stuff I need to edit with a different setup, but that did not go through, so now I just have this, which is not a final setup. This is just something to record finally after several months. I've been insanely busy. Now I'm getting back to what I love. So let's unbox another phone. Okay. Oh wow. This is what I got. We have, and apparently these are unused. Oh, they even have the little dongle. That's amazing. An unused pair of earphones. Used pair of earphones. Yep, used. Doesn't matter. A charger. Whopping 6 cases. Yep, and here, this is empty. Here is the main thing. And it's powered right up, wow. Oh no. Oh no. Another pair of earphones. And don't tell me I got fucking scammed, dude. I'm gonna connect this to iTunes and restore it. The iPhone is in recovery mode and I'm trying to restore it through iTunes. It's taking a while though. And in the meantime I checked in IMEI info and it says that FMI is off. So that's hopefully it's just a glitch. But I think that I've seen it already happen. It's the second day and I got everything solved. These 6 cases, I've cleaned all of them as best as I could. Some of them are in like pretty much unused condition. These are brand new. I looked at it, yeah, these are in a perfect condition. I kinda cleaned these used ones, but I probably am not gonna use them. And the box itself. So, and now the moment of truth. Oh no. And as you can see, everything is resolved. I messaged the seller that there was a passcode if they remember it. And they were very, very apologetic. They didn't know that the passcode was there and they told me it immediately. So I put it in, it reset normally, but then it showed a weird screen that I've never seen before. And it said that it's attempting to restore data, so yeah, I don't know. I've never seen that before. That was very strange. But yeah, I tested everything with Phone Doctor Plus, which is a great app for testing. I always use it to test. Well, it's pretty much everything, but yeah. It's working, everything's fine. This made me upset. We have another pair of earphones, this time without the dongle. We even have the charger. But this just made me upset because it took me such a long time to fold this cable into there. That's in. And now I need to put these earphones over it. Okay. Beautiful. I did it first attempt, but yesterday it took me like 5 attempts to actually put it in place. It's great that I also have a full iPhone XR in a box with everything. There's all the manuals, including these Apple stickers. that is that. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.